This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and this is the Heritage unit and the other unit, both SD70ACU units, picking up a train that I saw earlier come in around 4:30. So what I'm thinking happened here is that those units took the double stacks into the double stack yard, and now they're coming for the block of regular. There's a block there of regular mixed freight. I think he's going to take the rest of his train back into the yard. And here's the train that's going to Hudson. It's making its EXO station stop here at Dorval. Isn't that beautiful? Full AMT. I have an N-scale model of this, ALP45DP. I forget the number on my model, but they're really nice locomotives. And here it goes. So I'll be waiting here for the Heritage units. It'll be a Heritage unit and a regular CP unit to come back with the rest of the train. So if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.